Hi, I'm Candide Lopez. I am the program director at Denovo Ventures. I'm here to talk to you today about promoting task views. Thank you for joining us today. I want to demonstrate some best practices around task view management. We've found that some of our customers are not aware of the features that are available for menu management. So our post today is intended to help you understand Oracle's built-in best practices and the tools that are available to support them. Today, we'll be demonstrating the creation of a task view, how to secure it, and then how to subsequently promote it between various environments. It's important to know that task views and tasks should always be created in the DV environment first, and then promoted to all other environments via an OMW project. This is the best practice method that Oracle created, and if you will follow this method, you'll have great success in promoting your menus and managing them between environments. So let's jump in. We first start by creating a task view. So I am in a full client. You can do this first step in the web, but the rest of the steps will be on a full client. So I prefer to just start here. So I'm going to go to my fast path and I'm going to type in P9000. I'm going to add a new task view. So I'm going to actually first go to task views and click the add button. The task view is going to come from a UDC. So the first thing that we want to do is create it here in our UDC. Now you don't actually have to go in to the UDC. When you add it here, it will automatically add it to the UDC. So I'm going to use System 59. Your custom task views traditionally should be Systems 55 through 59. The name will come from a processing option, which is the prefix, and a task view next number or task next number. You can then give your task view a description. The description that you give your task view here will be what your users see on the actual menu. So I'm going to create this as a Denovo test task view. Now, a secured task view is used when you want to limit who can manage this task view and what users can or cannot see this task view. You typically do not want to secure a task view. You would typically use your security module to secure specific applications from users as you would like to. So when we talk about a task view, even default views that come from Oracle are not secured task views. So we will leave this blank and we will click OK. Then we'll cancel. And now we have our task view. So you'll see here it's System 59. And the name of it is Denovo Test Task View. I'm going to close that now. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I can now close out of here and I go back to my main menu. And then I'm going to go into my OMW, which I already have open. And I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click Add. It will be a new OMW project. I'm going to call this DNV_CL_001. You'll use whatever your traditional naming conventions are. And this is not a training for how to create an OMW project, so I'm going to go very quickly through these steps. Now that we have our task project itself, I'm going to go to the search, and I'm going to change this from Object Librarian to Solution Explorer. Solution Explorer is where tasks and task views are managed. And I'm going to look it up by task view, and I will click Find, and you'll see all of my task views that are listed here. I'm going to pick mine, and I'm going to make sure that I have objects highlighted over here and then I'm going to move my task view into my project. Once I do that, I can then click on this task view. Now, the important thing here is from this point in time, we aren't actually able to promote this task view with any objects in it. Right now, it's just an empty shell. What we need to do when we're going to manage task view promotion is go up to row, and we're going to click on advanced, and we're going to go down to Solution Explorer settings. You will not have access to this unless your security officer has granted it to you. So it is important that you check with your security officer and request Solution Explorer security. If you're granted that security, you will see this menu option, at which time, if you click it, you will see this button down here called All-Inclusive Task View. An all-inclusive task view is just like what it sounds. It includes all tasks, all relationships, all variables, everything that is on any task or is placed on the task view would now be included as part of this task view promotion. So this is really the key piece right here to making sure that you can promote a menu all the way from DV up to your production environment and not have to manage individual tasks, task relationships, etc. So I'm going to click that box. I'm going to click OK. And now it is as simple as doing a menu promotion. So I'm going to close this for a minute, and I'm going to go to my menu design, and I'm going to go to views, and I am going to go to my Denovo task view. And you'll notice there's nothing on it. So now I would then be starting to add tasks. And once I add all of my tasks, I'm then ready to go back to my OMW. And now I am ready to promote my task view. So as with any other project, I would click on the project, I would click the advanced project, and I would simply promote it to whatever numeric sequence of promotion activities your company is supporting. Different companies go to different statuses, and each status represents an environment. So in this case, I would be promoting this to the PY environment. Once you promote it to the PY environment, at that point, and I'm not going to do that right now, at that point in time, it will do almost a jitty. It's going to promote all of the tasks that are within that task view, as well as the task view itself. Once you've promoted the project, the best practice is then to demote it back down to DV. You always want your task view to really be left in DV for future promotions. This is a way of maintaining new tasks on a menu throughout the duration of your use of the software. If you keep this project sitting at 21, anytime you want to add something new to your menu, you open this up, promote it, and demote it back down. Of course, you have to add the task to the task view, but once you've added the task to the task view, the normal way that you would, this is just a simple promotion and then a simple demotion. So that's it. That's as easy as the process is. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for attending today. If there's any questions that you have about this blog post, again, feel free to contact us. You can reach out to us on our website. And I hope to see you guys soon at either a conference or one of our upcoming sessions.